Hello good people, let's make some soft layered chapatis. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another vlog, and we're going to spend the day with you as we plan for next week. You are only one. You choose it. Today's breakfast, we're going to have white coffee. So I don't measure. I didn't want to brew, so let's just boil it. So the next thing, we're going to make eggs. My people like macho. The pan is already hot. So here is the breakfast of the day. We have some eggs, we have bread, we have some tea. This is a gift from my niece. Can't wait to start. You should call the police. Next thing I check is whether we have enough stock for some of our dry ingredients, and here we are. This is what is in stock. This week we have lentils, we have fish, 2 pieces. We have fish, 2 pieces. We have green grams. We have maize over here. I don't know what's here. And we have butter beans. And here we have more butter beans. Where? Butter beans. And here we have more kamande. Let me come up with the menu for the remainder of the week too. We did some shopping. So here are a few items we got. This time I've decided to buy these 15 rolls. They seem to be more pocket friendly. Then we have some sweet potatoes and arrowroots. Hope you can see. They are dirty, I don't want that. And then we have a few stuff here. We have all-purpose flour. We have sugar. And we have maize flour. So I got 2 of each. And then we got some salt. I just refilled. It was not finished, just in case we ran out. Then I got some cling film. I want to try this one because it seems longer and sometimes we have issues. Okay. Got some bread. We got some beef. We got some toothpaste. We got some vinegar. We got some tissues and wet wipes. And finally, we got some milk for the week. So that's it for the shopping. Hello good people, let's make some soft layered chapatis. For this recipe I used cold water, and onto the water I'm going to add salt. Then I will add vanilla essence, and I will also add cardamom as well as some sugar. Sugar is optional for those people who don't like chapati tasting sweets. I mean the flavor of sugar. Of course, we are going to use our favorite all-purpose flour, and we are going to sieve to ensure that no dirt gets into our chapatis. You can sieve in advance like I do mostly when I'm putting in my jar, but when I've not put in the jar, I just sieve when I'm cooking. So I'm going to mix it on the mat because of my long nails, so it's easier and it's hygienic. So I'm just going to do everything from the mat. I'm done kneading, and then I covered it for like 30 minutes, and then now we are ready to cook. I usually roll them as a batch. I don't do one piece, but you can do one piece. I feel like the outcome will still be the same. So don't be under too much pressure to ensure that you do piece by piece. For the cooking oil, we are going to use Rinsan cooking oil. I've come to like it because one, it remains liquid all the time, whether it's cold or not, which is a plus. There's some cooking oil I used to use and it was giving us a hard time. I don't know, you're supposed to put in a container or what. So that was a plus for me. This pizza cutter comes in handy when I'm cutting my dough. I've heard before that cutting dough with your normal knife makes it blunt. Comment down below if it's true. So we now have all the rolls ready and we are just about to cook. The other thing I would want to ask, do you recycle your cooking oil? Because I do, so that I don't waste. It depends, of course, with what I'm cooking, because if I'm cooking fish, it's not easy to recycle, but I do for most of the other meals. Comment down below if you do, and if you don't, what's the reason? Is there a problem if someone recycles? You can see they are turning out really nice, and I used cold water, so don't be under pressure to use whether hot or cold. Just use whichever works for you. I can do either, but mostly I do cold because you know what, no need of heating if I can use the cold one. So you can try the recipe. You can tag us if you do the recipe or you share the video on your social media pages. Let us know how it goes even on your end. And thank you so much for watching this part of the video. And let us know the recipes you want us to share. Thank you. When I'm cooking ugali, I'll move this to the smaller fire. So we now cook ugali. If you don't have this, you're stressing yourself. Ugali o'clock. I'm going to make my all-time simplest beef recipe. I'm going to add everything into the food. I think I've put too much water, but it's okay. It will just evaporate. Plus, we are from the house of Mombi, so soup is our thing. We're also going to add tomatoes. and then allow them to cook by themselves. So this is the progress of our beef. I'll just season it a bit and we are good to go. I'm tempted not to add cooking oil, but I will know. On this side, I want to put some cabbages. My ugali is ready. You can see it's going to come off with the nini. That tells us it's fully cooked. So I'm going to remove my ugali. As you can see, amazing. There's no better feeling than the feeling of ugali peeling off from the pot. So as you can see, the water dried up, but I want to add just a little so that we can have some soup. And our beef is ready. I've just added a small amount of cooking oil. Here's the final product of the beef, the cabbages, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Kindly let us know the kind of videos you want us to share, and we are grateful for the love that you have been showing our previous videos, especially one of our videos which is almost clocking 10,000. Maybe by the time I will be uploading this video, the video will be 10,000. Thank you so much. We really appreciate.